Hi, everybody. How are you? Happy Friday. Of course, if you're in Australia, happy Friday. If you're on the other side of the world, happy Friday very soon. I just wanted to jump on this afternoon. I've just had a compelling feeling to actually just jump on. I've got a lot of friends that are currently going through different journeys in their life, whether they're building a home business or they're changing careers, or they've got some challenges in their relationships, or they're striving for goals like health goals, financial goals, life goals. And sometimes life will throw us some curveballs. And the key message is to don't quit, because in life nothing ever will go to plan. In fact, quite often the universe will actually throw us some challenges just to see how badly we want something. And we need to embrace those situations as lessons, take them on board as lessons that we can take forward with us. So that way we can either appreciate the journey even further when we get to our desired goals or destination, or we can take the lessons, because that way we can become better partners in the future, or we can take the lessons so that way we can become better servant leaders in our businesses, whatever that business may be. And, all of us go through this. It's not unique to just one individual having challenges or having little curveballs come our way. Anything in life, we always will be presented with a challenge where you need to make a decision, and quite often it is an opportunity for growth, and that is where you can really step up and learn from something, and better your situation. You're going to be stronger, you're going to be wiser, and just don't quit. Too many people will come across adverse situations, or situations where things don't quite go to plan. And they have in their mind what the journey is going to look like. They think it's just going to be one straight road, and what happens is that life will throw you a curveball, and you go, oh, hang on a minute, wasn't exactly how I planned it. But that's not an opportunity for you to quit. It's an opportunity for learning and for growth, and to look at it and go, you know what, maybe I should just throw myself into this situation and just learn from it, and just go, feel the fear and do it anyway, much like what I'm doing at the moment. Um, and I've been challenged by my mentor to actually step on Facebook Live, and be a little bit more open with my audience. And I actually thought I was a little bit more open, but for me to actually grow as a person and be a better leader, for our business, and also better friend, and better daughter, and so many areas of my life, a better mother, a better wife. These sorts of situations are going to make me a better person. And so that is why I'm embracing the moment. I'm embracing this opportunity to come on board. So I just want to tell people, you know what, we're all going through challenges. Facebook is not a realistic representation of what people go through. And we really need to just appreciate that people do go through challenges behind doors. But you know what? Challenges are just challenges. They're temporary, and they can only be permanent if you make them permanent, right? If you just embrace the moment and just go, you know what? I get it. I'm going to take this learning. I'm going to push forward with my dreams. I'm going to push forward with my goals. I'm going to push forward with whatever it is that you're striving for: health, life, financial, career, relationship, parenthood. You're going to be a better person, and that is the key. But the key takeout from this message is just not to quit. um, you know don't quit. Everything is worth striving and fighting for, that you really, really want deep down inside, because life is too short to just give up on a situation or your dreams just because you have a little bump in the road. You've got to really take that moment and go, you know what, bugger that. I'm not going to let that stop me. I'm going to continue on with whatever it is that I'm going to do, and I'm going to do it. I'm going to make it happen. Really. So anyway, guys, I hope you're having an awesome Friday. And I hope you celebrate life and live each day to the fullest, because tomorrow is never guaranteed, and you just need to remember that as well. All right. So, with that being said, have a great Friday, have a great weekend, hug somebody, give a, do a random act of kindness, and smile a little bit more. Take care. Bye bye.